We'll guide you through how to make echo voice in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create echo voice effects using Wondershare Filmora. This effect makes audio sound more dynamic and professional, especially for storytelling, cinematic edits, or enhancing voice clarity in videos. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow each step smoothly without interruptions. Then double-click the application to open it, and wait until the interface is fully loaded on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and start with a clean workspace for editing. Next, click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project properly before adding any media files. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm your setup and continue to the next step. After that, click Import, select the audio that will be used, then click Open to bring it into the media library. Drag and drop the imported audio into the timeline section so you can start working with it directly. Next, open the stock media menu to add a visual background for your audio. You can choose a motion background to add depending on your preference. For example, select Mine, then drag and drop the previously favorited motion background into the timeline. Then select Keep Project Settings to ensure everything matches the current format. Adjust the duration so it matches in the timeline and stays synchronized with the audio length. Next, open the Effects menu to access available audio effects. Click the search bar, type Echo, then press Enter to quickly find the effect. Select Audio Effects to filter the results and make the search more relevant. Scroll down, then drag and drop the echo effect onto the audio track in the timeline. Click the audio in the timeline, then open the Effects panel to modify the effect settings. You can adjust the settings, for example set delay time to 150 to control the echo timing. Set the decay factor, for example leave it at 0.5 to balance the echo intensity. Click the full screen icon and listen to the result to ensure the echo effect sounds clear and natural.